Want to fix TikTok Pro app not working? Then you're on the right video. So the very first thing you want to do is move into your application or the App Store. In the address bar, search for TikTok Pro. Move into this app. Instead of open, if you find the option of updating, click on update and update the app to the latest version. Once done, now move into the settings of your device. Inside the settings, head over to General, and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application TikTok Pro and then move into it. Once you're in here, click on Offload App, and once again tap on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It might also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. After that, go back to your home screen. Tap and hold this assistive touch and click on Restart. Well, restarting your device might also help you out. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.